Okay, very good morning to 5 Elix. Today is 28th of September 2021, Tuesday. So our class this morning, 7:30 to 8:30, we have 2 periods. So let me share my screen first. Okay. Okay. So this morning we were going to discuss the solutions for Goethe's model mathematics SPM 2021. Set 2 paper 2 Penerbit Pelangi. This morning we will focus on section A first. Learning standard. So after this lesson, student is able to only one learning standard for this morning. Solve all the problems involving the questions in section A, paper 2. Our agenda, the first one, I will start explanation of involved concept first. And then after this, it's your turn to do the discussions for the solutions. And the last one, we will do quiz for our conclusions. Okay, so for section A, if you look at your questions paper, you need to answer all the questions for this section. Questions number 1 is about the set. Okay, so the thing you need to know is about the union. Unions mean all, and then intersection is the same. Complement of P means not P or outside the P, and we can shade the region of the set by using the Roman technique or number techniques. And then questions number 2, this is about the quadratic equations. So we can solve using factorizations method. First of all, we convert the equations to general form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. And then after that, we do the factorizations. And finally, we can use our calculator, scientific calculator, to help us to do the factorization and get the answer. That is, you can press mod 5 and 3. And then question number 3 is simultaneous linear equations. Actually, we have 3 methods to solve substitutions, eliminations, and matrix method to solve these questions. And we also can use scientific calculator to help us mod 5-1 to get the final answer. Okay, so either one method you can use, but if the question has instruction says if the questions have an instruction that cannot be used a matrix method, so we only. And then question number 4. This is about the graph rangkaian. And chapter 4 from 4. Chapter 5 from 4. Okay, so you are asking to draw a graph with the loops and the multiple edge, okay, by the given informations below. So this tip to know what is a graph. We have a vertex and edge. And what do you mean by the multiple edge? Move one route, and then loops is the return journey from a vertex without passing through another vertex and represented by the edge, by an edge. Okay, so the concept you need to understand here. Okay, questions number 5. This is lower form. It's about the circle, perimeter, and area. So the 2 formula you need to understand here: length of arcs, theta divided by 360 degrees times 2 pi r. And number 2 is the area of sector, theta divided by 360 degrees times pi r squared for the area. And questions number 6 is about the measure of dispersions. Okay, measure of dispersion, sukatan serakan. Okay, mean and variance standard deviations. Okay, for the means, the S bar equals to the sum of S divided by the N. This is a formula. And the P is about the effect on the measure of dispersions. Normally adding and subtracting, addition and subtraction, we didn't have any changes except the multiply or divide. Okay, later on you will discuss. And number 7 is about the probability of combined events. Actually, this question later on we will use a non-mutually exclusive. Non-mutually exclusive, we have 2, non-mutually or mutually. Okay. And then number 8 is about the volume. This is about the volume of solid geometry. So actually under the solid geometry volume, you need to understand. So this question is using a cone and cylinder. Okay, cone 1/3 pi r square h. Cylinder is pi r square h. Okay. And then questions number 9 is about straight line from 3. Okay, so these questions you need to understand what is the gradient and equation of the straight line y equal to ms plus c, and then define the s or y intercept. Okay, s intercept means y equal to 0, or y intercept means s equals to 0. And then for the parallel lines means the gradient of the straight line is equal. Okay, and the last questions is talking about the graph of motion. And this question is about the speed time graph. So the concept here is from the speed time graph, we can found the constant speed. Constant speed means a uniform speed. And then rate of change of speed is means a gradient. And third one is the area under the graph. Actually, area under the graph means the total distance. Or distance. If we want the distance, we use the area under the graph. And also maybe you will be asking to find the average speed, the total distance traveled divided by the total time taken. Okay, so this is about a concept you need to understand here. Okay, so now it's your turn to do the presentation before I present my answer. Okay. All right. Okay, is it clear? Everybody clear? Hello, Wilson, clear? Wilson?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so later on when we do a presentation, please open your or turn on your camera. Okay, so now question number 1, Alia. Alia. Okay, Alia, I will help you to present, not present, share the screen. Sekejap. Alia, yeah. Yeah, Alia. Yeah, you can start.
Uh, Good morning, everyone. I'm Alia. So today I'm going to present for Pelangi Module Set 2, Section A, Question 1. So the question is, the Venn diagram in the answer space show set A, set B, and set C, such that the universe set equal to A union B union C. On the diagram in the answer space, shaded the set for complement A and intersection of A and B union C. So for complement A, we need to shade the region where A is not included. So I'm using the number technique to solve the question where I use set A for 1 and 2, set B for 2, 3, and 4, set C for 4 and 5. And the complement for A is 3, 4, and 5. For B, intersection of A and B union C. The intersection for A and B, where the common element for set A and B is equal to 2, and union C, where set C is equal to 4 and 5. So the answer is, so we need to shade it for 2, 4, and 5. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Alia. Good. Okay, your answer is correct. Okay. All right. Next question is number 2, Clarissa. Clarissa. Yeah, Clarissa, you can start now.
Good morning to all my classmates and teachers. Today I would like to present.
Loudly.
I would like to present Mathematics Pelangi Kertas Model 2 Session A question. to solve the following quadratic equation. Y squared plus 3y plus 1 equals 7 plus y over 4. First copy the equation and then move the number 4 to the left hand side to multiply each of the variables. So it becomes 4y squared plus 12y plus 4 equals 7 plus 1. Next, move 7 plus y to the left hand side and become general equation. It becomes 4y squared plus 11y minus 3. Use calculator mod 53 to find the value of y. So y is equal to 1 over 4 and y is equal to negative 3.
That's all. Okay, thank you. Okay. So Clarissa's answer is y equals to 104 and y equals to negative 3. Yeah. Okay, so first of all, she already to general formula and then do the factorizations and the answer is correct. Okay, very good. Okay, this is about the questions number 2. So you can jot down the answer later on. I will discuss another time for overall solutions. Okay, and then questions, still is the questions number 2 is Diane. Let me see, Diane. Diane, you will share yourself, right? Diane?
Yes.
Yes. So it's your show time now.
Okay, first of all, good morning. I would like to present question 2, Sasbadi. First of all, you need to remove 4 by multiply to the both side by common denominator, and then you need to rearrange the non-zero terms to the left. Then it would be like this. Use factorization by using calculator mod 5 and 3, and then you will get the answer like this. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, so the answer still same with the Clarissa. Okay, very good. Diana, well done. Okay, questions number 3, Elena. Number 3, Elena. Elena's, okay, so I will share for you. Yeah. Is it yours? Is it yours? Camera? Tak dengar.
Dapat dengar kah, cikgu?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So, good morning to everyone. So, we go to next question, question number 3. Solve the following simultaneous linear equation. X minus 2y equal to 11, 5x plus 6y equal to 15. So, for this question, I use elimination method. From equation 1, we multiply by 5, so it will form a new equation, which is 5x minus 10y equal to 55. And then we minus by question number 2, 5x plus 6y equal to 15. So we will get the answer is negative 16y equal to 40. So we found that the y is equal to negative 5 over 2. And then substitute the y equal to negative 5 over 2 into equation 1. So x minus 2y equal to 11, x minus 2 in bracket negative 5 over 2 equal to 11. So we will find that x equal to 6. So the answer is x equal to 6 and y equal to negative 5 over 2. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Elena. So this is very tidy words. Okay, so for this simultaneous equations, because the question didn't state what method we need to use, so any method you can use, include the matrix. But I didn't encourage use matrix method because we have another question for matrix. And So from your discussions, the answer for the x equals to 6 and y equal to negative 5.5/2 is correct, no? Is correct. Okay, very good. Okay, next, Evelyn. Okay, Evelyn. Yeah, Evelyn, also I will help you to share your screen, no? Okay. Yeah, I turn. This is your turns now. Okay, start.
For this question, I'm going to use substitution method. We are given two equations, which is the first equation is x minus 2y equal to 11, and the second equation is 5x plus 6y equal to 15. So we need to form third equation. So from first equation, x equal to 11 plus 2y. So we need to substitute third equation into second equation. 5x plus 6y equal to 15. Then 5 in the bracket of 11 plus 2y plus 6y equal to 15. So it's equal to 55 plus 10y plus 6y equal to 10, which is y equal to negative 5 over 2. So we need to substitute y equal to negative 5 over 2 into first equation. So x minus 2y equal to 11. X minus 2y in the bracket of negative 5 over 2 equal to 11. Then x equal to 6. So the answer is x equal to 6, then y equal to negative 5 over 2.
Okay, thank you, Evelyn. So this just now Elena used eliminations method, right? So this time the Evelyn used a substitutions method. So very good lah. So actually your answer also is correct. Same with the Elena just now, s equal to 6, y equal to negative 5 over 2. But both of you use a different method. So I hope all of the else understand what is the eliminations method, what is a substitutions method. So this one is substitutions method. Okay, very good. Okay, so this is for number 3. Okay, now we go to number 4. Number 4 is Gloria. You can share your screen. Yeah.
Good morning. Today I am going to present question 4. Draw a graph reflection multiple edges based on the information below. The vertex equal to A, B, C, D, E, and the edges equal to AE, AB, AB, BC, CD, DB, DE, and EE. The vertex A is connected to E and then connect to B and B to form a multiple edge. B is connected to C and C connect to D and then D form a loop. And then vertex D is connected to E and then E.
Okay. Actually, Gloria, your sound is very slow. Okay. So the graph should be involve loops and multiple edge. Okay. If you look at the DD and EE, so this is loops, and then multiple edge is AB. AB, we have two pair of AB, means we have two routes. So AB, AB, we have multiple edge. Okay, so the answer is correct. Actually, any drawing is correct if we follow the V here, the vertices, the vertex and the edges here. Okay, all we accept lah. Okay, so this is one of the answer. Okay, thank you, Gloria. Okay, next is about the term now, Jen. Oh, okay. Jen, I will share for you, right? Yeah. Okay, Jen.
Okay, first of all, good morning to everyone. Today I would like to present question 4. So draw a graph with loops and multiple edges based on the information below. So V equal to A, B, C, D, and E. E equal to AE, AB, AB, BC, CD, DD, DE, and EE. So the solution is E. D is connected to E, and C is D, A is B. That's all. Thank you.
Wait. Okay, Jen. Jen, your presentation is very clear, but I think that your answer have little bit problems. Multiple HAB is correct, and then the loop for the D and E is correct, but we didn't have loop C, right? If you look at the C, it's a BC and CD. BC means from B to C, and CD, C to D, you already have loops for C, yeah? So maybe this one you need to erase. So if 2 marks from 3 marks, okay? So we don't have a loops for C. Okay, anyway, very good. Okay, thank you, Jenna. Okay, we are done. So next questions, number 5. We turn to Joseph. Joseph, let me see first. Joseph, I will share for you too. Okay. Where is Joseph one? Okay, this one. Yeah, you can start now. Joseph. Yeah, Joseph.
Start now.
Yeah.
Uh, mm, Diagram 1 shows a quadrant of PQ and sector OMN with a common center O. O and P is a straight line and is the midpoint of OP. Given that MO angle MOQ equal to 135 degree, by using pi equal to 22/7, calculate A, the perimeter in cm of the whole diagram, B, the area in cm2 of the whole diagram. Give your answer correct to decimal places. For question A, we know that OQ and OQ equal to OP, which is 21 cm, and N is the midpoint, so 21 divided by 2 equal to 10.5 cm. When NO equal to 10.5 cm, MO equal to 10.5 cm. To find PQ, use the formula length of arc equal length of arc divided by 2 pi r equal to Q divided by 360 degree. QP equal to 33 cm. Same formula used to find NM. Length of arc equal divided by 2 pi r equal Q divided by 360 degree. So NM equal to 8.25 cm. To find the perimeter, sum all of the values of Q, QP, PN, and M and MO. 21 plus 33 plus 10.5 plus 8.25 equal to 83.25 cm. The answer for question A is 83.25 cm. For question B, we can separate the diagram into 2 parts. POQ for part A and MON for part B. To find the area, use area of sector divided by pi r2 equal to theta divided by 360 degree. For M or Q, we know that the angle is equal to 135 or 135 minus by 90 degree equal to 45 degree. By using the formula, area of sector pi r squared equal to Q equal to theta divided by 360 degree. Area of P or Q and M or N is 346.5 cm2 and 43.3 cm2. The question asks area of the whole diagram. So 346.5 cm2 plus 43.3 cm2 equal to 389.8 cm2.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, Joseph. Okay, so your answer is correct. So next is Nazim. Your turns now. Nazim. So Nazim, you will share yourself, right? Okay. Okay, you can start.
Can you hear my voice, sir? Can you hear my voice?
Yes, yes.
Good morning to Mr. Lau. And today I would like to present Mathematics Pelangi Set 2, Paper 2, Section A, Question 5. Diagram 1 shows a quadrant of PQ and sector OMN with a common center Q. For NP is the straight line, M is the midpoint of QP. Given that M of Q equal to 135 degrees Celsius. By using pi equal to 22/7, calculate the perimeter in centimeter of the whole diagram. B, the area in centimeter square of the whole diagram. Give your answer to 2 decimal places. Since we know that N is the midpoint, we can divide MO, which is twice the value of ON, is 2. 21/2 equals to 10.5 centimeters. And we can find the degree of MON, the angle of MON, which is 135 minus 90 degree equal to 45 degree. We can total up the perimeter of both sector and we can find the answer, which is 83.25 centimeters. For the area,
Okay.
we can just use the formula theta over 360 times pi times r squared on both sectors. We can total up the both area of the sector and we can find the answer to 2 decimal places, which is 389.81 centimeter square.
Okay, Nazim, wait. Okay. So just now, the Joseph answer for B area is 389.8. I forgot that the question have said the answer should be correct to 2 decimal places. So the Joseph, your part B need to change to 389.81. The correct answer will be, the correct answer should be 389.81, not 8, because the question have an instruction says 2 decimal place. So well done for Nazim. Thank you. Okay, next is questions number 6. Number 6, we ask Nur Shafika. It's your terms now. Nur Shafika, wait, I will try to share for you. Yes, now. Yeah, you can start now. No, Shafika? No, Shafika.
A set consists of 8, 3, 6, and 7. Given that the value of mean for the set is 5.6. So if find the value of x, it is given that the mean is 5.6. So 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 1 plus 7 divided by the number of set, which is 5 equal to 5. By the calculator, we find that x equal to 3. Question B. If each data is divided by 2 and subtracted standard deviation, first of all, we need to find the odd variance, which is 8 squared plus 3 squared plus 6 squared plus 7 squared divided by 5 minus 5 squared. We got the variance equal to 3.44. Find the standard deviation, we need to square root the 3.4 equal to 1.8547. It stated that the new data is divided by 2 and subtracted. We can ignore the subtraction and divide by 2. 3.44 divided by 2 square for the new variance, we got 0.6. The new standard deviation equal to 1.8547 divided by 2 equal to 0.9274.
Yeah, already. Okay. So the answer for part A just now x equals to 3, and then for the part B, the question asked to find the new value of variance. So new variance is 0.86 is correct. Divide by 2 square. So the variance is should be careful. If divide 2 means divide by 2 square. Our variance we need to have a square. And then for the new standard deviation is 0.9274 is correct. Divide by 2. Okay. So well done. So next question number 7, Rooney. Rooney, it's your turns now. Faster. We still need to 3 questions more. Okay, question number 7 now. Rooney,
You share the screen, so.
but you didn't tell me that I need to share for you. Okay. So never mind. Maybe you just no. I found first because Rooney, you didn't tell me that I need to help you to share the screen. Okay, sekejap ah. Okay.
A very good morning to Mr. Lau and my fellow friends. Today, I would like to present a question number 7. The question is, at the birthday party, the probability of Yanzi and Xiaoping eat the cake are 4/9 and 3/7 respectively. Calculate the probability of Yanzi or Xiaoping eat the cake at the birthday party. So the 4/9 we multiply with 4/7 and plus 5/9 multiply with 3/7 plus 4/9 multiply with 3/7 and equal to 26/63 plus 5/21 plus 4/21, and the answer is 43/63.
So do you think that your answer is correct, Rooney?
Maybe.
What, can you explain a little bit why you do 4/9 times 4/7 and then 5/9 times 3/7 and then also 4/9 times 3/7? Why you do like this? Can you explain?
because the Zhou Yanzi and Xiaoping they eat the cake and the total cake left.
Some of the part, some of the explanations is correct, but not whole. But your answer, your final answer is correct. Okay, congrats, because most of the students get the wrong for this question. So far the highest for section A for this set because this 4 marks. Many students get it wrong. So later on, I will discuss my method to solve these questions. But Rooney, your answer is correct. This is one of the way you multiply and then you get 43 over 63. Okay, congrats. Okay. This is question number 7. And questions number 8, Rosiana. Yeah, Rosiana, I will help you to share the screen now. Yes, go. Yeah, you can start now. Rosiana.
Okay. Good morning to our mathematics teacher, Teacher Lau. And today I would like to present about study paper 2 question 8. Diagram 2 show a composite solid consisting of a cone and a cylinder. The diameter of the cylinder is 14 centimeter. Given that the height of the cone is equal to the height of the cylinder, find the volume in centimeter cubic of the composite solid. The solution: diameter of cylinder equal to 14 centimeter. Radius of cylinder equal to radius of the cone. To find the radius of cylinder, 14 divided by 2 equal to 7 centimeter. And the radius of the cone is equal to the radius of cylinder. Height of cylinder and height of the cone equal to 21 centimeter. Height of cylinder equal to the height of the cone. To find the height of cylinder, 21 divided by 2 equal to 10.5 centimeter. Volume of composite solid, volume of cylinder, and volume of cone. Pi R2 hex plus 1 pi R2 hex 7 square multiplied by 10.5 plus 1 over 22 over 7 multiplied by 7 square times 10.5 equal to 2156 centimeter cubic. You.
Okay, thank you, Rosiana. So your answer is correct. Well, there in here, she found the diagram for the cylinder and cone also here. So the volume of composite means addition plus, and then the final answer is 2,156 centimeter cube. Very good. So your answer is correct. And then just everyone need to make sure the unit is a centimeter square here. Okay, so well done, Rosiana. Okay, good job. Okay, number 9, Stephanie now. Stephanie, okay, Stephanie. Oh, okay, wait. Okay, have you seen the screen now?
Wait, sir.
Okay.
Can you hear my voice, sir?
Yes. Continue.
Good morning to our mathematics teacher, Sir Lau, and my fellow friends. Today I would like to present Pelangi set 2, question 9. Diagram 3 show the two parallel straight lines AB and CD. First, find the value of K. Wait, sir. To find the value of k, we must find the gradient first, which is 4 minus 0 over 2 minus 0, which is the answer is 2. Then, to find the k, we minus, wait, sir. Sorry, sir. K0 minus k over 2 minus 3 equal to negative 2, and k equal to negative 2. Find the equation of straight line CD. X minus 6, y intercept, wait, sir. Someone.
Already? Okay. So answer for Stephanie is section A, k equals to -2, and then the section B equations, equation of CD, line CD, straight line CD, y equals to -2s plus 14. This one she used, I think this one is max formula, not a max formula, and then the y-intercept equal to 14. Okay, so next, Shafika, it's your turn to present question number 9 also. Yes, Shafika. Shafika?
Oh, wait.
All right. Okay.
The diagram 9 shows two parallel straight lines AB and CD. 9a, find the value of k. We need to find the gradient of the straight line first. 4 minus 0 divided by 0 minus 2 equal to -2. So from 4 minus k divided by 0 minus -2 also equal to -2. Then k equal to -10. 9b, find the equation of the straight line CD. We can use y equal to mx plus c, then 6 equal to -2 times 4 plus c. C is equal to 14. The equation
Wait,
of straight line CD is y equal to -2x plus 14. 9c, set the y-intercept of the straight line CD. Y-intercept of the straight line CD is 14.
Okay, wait, Shafika. Actually, your A just now find the value of k is incorrectly. You show the answer first. Yes. B. The section A. Yeah. 4 minus 0 divide by 0. Are you sure that is 4 minus 0 divided by 0 minus 2? This one, the gradient is correct. M equals to -2. But your turn to find the value of k, 4 minus k divided by 0 minus 3. So I think that this is not -3, so you are wrong here. So actually the k equals to -2. Just now the Stephanie's answer is correct. Your answer -10 is already wrong. We didn't have -3, we only have 3. Okay? Okay,
Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Shafika. Okay. Well done. So we go to the last questions, Wilson, before we go to the quiz. Wilson, question number 10.
Okay. Okay. Can see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to present the question 10. Okay, let us look at the question first. Diagram 4 shows a speed time graph for the movement of particle A and B for the period of t seconds. The graph PQRS represents the movement of particle A and the graph PB represent the movement of particle B. Both particles start at the same point and move along the same road. So you can see the yellow highlight graph is for particle A and this is for particle B. Okay, for part A, state the uniform speed in meter per second of the particle A. The uniform speed is mean the horizontal line in the speed time graph. So you look at here. So the speed is uniform speed is equal to 20 meter per second. Okay, B, calculate the rate of change of speed in meter per second of particle A for the first 6 seconds. So for the first 6 seconds is here for particle A, the graph for particle A, the rate of change of speed is equal to the acceleration and also equal to the gradient of the graph. So we use the formula of the to find the gradient to find the rate of change of speed. Also, the answer is equal to, or the point here for the P is the coordinate is like this and the Q is 620. So we put into the equation and we get the answer for 3.33 meter per second. Okay,
Yeah,
for part
correct.
C, at this seconds, the difference between the distance traveled by particle A and particle B is equal to 30 meter. Okay, find the value of t. We want to find the t. The distance traveled in the graph, which means the area under the graph. Okay, we can see like this. This is the green color is for particle A. We can see until when it travels to t second, we can see a triangle here. And for particle B, we can see a triangle. So we take out I take out these two shape, which means I want to find the area under the graph. For A, trapezium like this, and B, triangle. For particle B is triangle. The question said that the distance travel, which means also the area the area of trapezium minus the area of triangle equal to 30. So we can take this formula to A minus B equal to 30. Then we substitute the area of trapezium inside here. Then we do until we get T equal to 9 seconds. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Wilson. Okay, so your answer is correct. Okay, so now, so you jot down. Okay, now I will discuss my answer. Okay, so I use a few minutes to present it, and then after that we will go to Quizzy. Okay, Quizzy. Okay, just okay. So solutions now. Solutions. Okay. Solutions. My answer. My solutions here. Okay. Questions. Next questions. Okay. So questions number 1. This is the answer lah. Okay. I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I didn't do the animations here lah. So the answer should be like. So you can show the step here using Roman tennis or numbers technique. So just now the Alia's answer is correct. Okay, and then questions number 2, quadratic equation. First of all, we need to show the general form 4y squared plus 11y minus 3 equal to 0. And then we do the factorizations, and then the answer equals to y equals to 1 over 4 and y equal to -3 is correct. Yours answer just now. And then questions number 3. Simultaneous linear equations. Here I show the solutions by using the substitutions method. So I will get first of all s equals to 2y plus 11. This is the first equations, and then 5s plus 6y equals to 15 is second equations. And then I substitute equations 1 into equations 2, and I will get equals to -5 over 2. Or -2.5, and then I substitute against the y equals to -5 over 2 into equations 1 to get the value of x equals to 6. So this is 4 marks here. And then questions number 4 is about the graph of the with the loops and multiple edge. Okay, so this is one of the type of the answer. Actually, is correct lah. Your answer just now is actually the Jen. We didn't have a loops at the C. C tidak ada loops. So multiple edge is A, B, and then we have 2 loops here, D and E. D and E. Okay, 3 marks. And then questions number 5. Yeah, this is your answer. Of the whole diagram is 83.25. Answer just now is correct. And then part B, area of the whole diagram 389.81. Remember the questions ask you to give the answer into 2 decimal place. So the answer for B should be 389.81. So 2 decimal place, Joseph. Okay. And if not, you will be deduct 1 marks. And then for questions number 6, this is your answer. S equals to 3. Yes. Just now, no Shafika is correct. And then first of all, for the B, you need to find the variance and standard deviations, original variance and original standard deviations. After that, we need to put the effect. If addition and subtraction, we don't need to have any effect. We don't have any effect for addition, but we have effect for multiply or divide. Multiply or divide. For these questions, each data is divided by 2 and -1. So -1 don't have any effect. We just divide by 2. But you need to remember that for the variance, we need to square, 2 square. So you will get the 0.86 for the new variance, and new standard deviation is 0.9274. So this is your answer. And then for questions number 7, maybe I a little bit more. You need to use non-mutually exclusive formula. The probability of equals to probability of A plus probability of B, and then minus the probability of A intersect B. This is a concept. So the A is a Yang C and B is a C. Okay. So first of all, Yang C and Xiaoping, this is N means the intersection. So 4/9 times 3/7, you will get 4/21. So when we want to find the probability of A union B, because Yang C or Xiaoping, or means union. So probability of Yang C is 4/9, 3/7, minus the probability of Yang C and Xiaoping is 4/21. So you will get 43/63. So this is actually the way we solve these questions. And then I give you 10 seconds to copy down. And then because most of the students do it wrongly for these questions, 4 marks. Okay. So just now the answer from Rooney is correct, but you use a different way to solve it. Okay. Actually, this is the correct way. We use a non-mutually exclusive formula. And that is A union B equals to the probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersect B. Okay. And then question number 8, the volume of composite solid 2,156 centimeters cube. Okay, this one is quite easier. And then questions number 9. Yeah, so the K equals to -2. You can use the concept of gradient to find the value of K. And then for the B, find the straight line, equation of straight line CD. You substitute the gradient equals to -2. And the C, point C is a 4, 6 into the equations. So you will get Y equals to -2s plus 14. And then the C, Y intercept is 14. This is the correct answer. And then number 10, the last question just now for the Wilson, uniform speed equals to 20, correct. And grade equals to rate of change, 10/3 or 3.3 meter per second is correct. And then the C is difference between the distance for particle A and particle B, so minus. So finally the T equals to 9. So you need to find the area under the graph. For the particle A is trapezium, and then for the particle B, angle. Yes, area under the graph. So finally you will get the T equals to 9. T equals to 9. So this is solution for all the questions for section A from questions 1 to questions 10. Well done, all of you. Congrats. Okay, done. And if your answer have problems or you have do it wrongly, please do the corrections. Please do the corrections. Okay, now we go to the last part. Maybe we take more 5 more minutes. Quizzy. So I will send the link into the chat box. Okay. Tunggu saya. Wait me for a while. Okay. Okay, I will put inside the chat box now. Paste. Okay. Yeah, this one. So I wait you to join in first. Okay, only 5. Yeah, come on. Okay, 9 students, 10, 11, 12, 13. Any more? 13. Okay, so we start now. 14. Joseph, another one? Aliyah, can you join? Aliyah? Okay, so we now. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, so far the highest is Gloria. Okay, so congrats to the third one is the third place, Gloria, and the second is Wilson, and the first is Nur Shafika, and then later on the ranking into your groups. Okay, so I think that's all for this morning. That's all for this morning. So I hope that all of you can turn on your camera, and then we take a photo. Bolehkah semua buka you punya camera before we stop? Ya, okay. Sebagai apa sajalah sebagai kenangan ke. Okay, so yeah, this is your ranking just now. Okay, later on I will send to you. Oh, banyak soalan yang ada yang salah. Okay. All right. Yes, Evelyn, are you okay? Turn on your camera for a while so that we can take the photo. Okay, I count until 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so thank you. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Yes, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.